Let's learn LaTeX Part 8. Today, let's see how to insert exponentials and subscripts in your equations and also how to insert a matrix in your LaTeX document. We can easily write fractions, exponents and subscripts using LaTeX. First, let's see how to write exponents. Let us write the famous equation E equals to mc squared. For that, begin the environment, begin equation. Write E equals to mc to the power 2. Do not forget to use the hat symbol for the exponents. And then end the environment by the end equation. Next, let's see how to write a fraction. Again, begin environment with begin equation. Backslash frac within curly braces A and B equals to C. End the environment by the end equation command. This way you can write A by B equals to C. Next, let's see how to write subscripts. For subscripts, begin the environment with begin equation again. Then the symbol for subscripts is represented by underscore followed by the text for the subscript, which is within the curly braces. Here we write the equation as x1 plus x2 equals to y. Close the environment by the end equation command. Summations and integrals. Again, begin the environment with begin equation. For summation, use the command backslash sum underscore, write the expression, and equals backslash frac for fraction, write the expression, and the environment by the end equation command. Now, for integrals, similarly, begin the environment backslash int underscore expression within curly braces underscore inf t stands for infinity, exponential to the power minus x, backslash dx equals to 1, and the environment by the end equation. Let's see how to insert matrices in your LaTeX document. Matrices can be included by the B matrix environment. So at first you have to begin the environment with begin equation, begin the matrix by the begin B matrix environment, write the components of the matrix A and B, close the row by the double backslash C and D, end the matrix environment by the end B matrix, followed by end the equation by end equation. This way you can write equations and include matrices in your LaTeX environment. With this, we come to the end of our LaTeX tutorial series. I hope that this series was insightful. Do let me know in the comments what tutorials you want me to cover next. Do not forget to like, comment and save the video for future reference. Also, share it with your friends.